Good morning everyone. I am Farhan of class 10 from Nur Academy Secondary School. Today I will discuss a very interesting topic of science, that's concept of acid-base indicator which refers to pH scale. Before going to understand what is acid-base indicator, we have to know about what is acid and base. The substance which are H plus ion concentration, sour in taste and corrosive in nature. These substances are known as acid. But while bases are bitter in taste, have OH minus ion concentration and less corrosive in nature. So let's talk about the indicators. There are different types of indicators like natural indicator, artificial, inversion and olfactory. So let's talk about natural indicator. The indicators which identify the acid by naturally are called natural indicators. Example: cabbage, turmeric, litmus paper. Now let's talk about artificial indicators. The indicators which are made in the laboratory are known as artificial indicators like phenolphthalein. Now let's talk about olfactory indicators. The indicator which identify the acid or base by smelling that is olfactory indicator. Example: vanilla, onion, clove, etc. Now let's talk about inversion indicator. The indicator which identify the acid or base by the 7 beam of color of rainbow, that is VIBGYOR. The G indicates neutral and the VIB indicates basic and YOR indicates acidic, where V is the most strongest base and Y is the strongest acid. But there is also another scale which used to identify H plus ion concentration, that is pH scale. The pH scale is consists of from 0 to 14 levels, where 7 indicates the neutral solution and the less than 7 the value indicates the acidic nature, and from 8 to 14 they indicate basic, where 0 is the strongest acid and 14 is the strongest base. Since acid is very corrosive in nature, we have the indicators are very important to identify our daily things that are acid or base. Thank you. That's all for today.